Bor kapati CTV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat baduna bam umpnya.
Show the book of law, sir. Show us the book of law, municipality, and we'll talk to you.
I am not from the municipal.
No,
I'm from
no,
NGO.
let them talk with the municipality. You are taking what? Let me talk with the municipality.
I'm from the NGO.
Sir, you have to provide this notice.
So let the municipality talk now. Why
No, we have to come together.
you come every time.
Sir.
We are not the outsider that you
First,
come and close it up. Na?
Sir, first you give us notice.
Now last time
Without
district
notice,
council with the
how can
NGO
you
comes,
go?
they have seen it's okay. Now they are coming with the municipality. Next day they will come.
Kashilo Municipal Board haringkat keseng nyotrep National Youth Front kumjuru ke jing sendar langki pulit kilalet ban Khynra business license Lynter ke GS road deka basdang nadu mat pran sosun shedu shekendai lat haga deka jing Khynra kilalap babon ke Dukan kimpin tamashu ik license junkie kiblakut por nadu kisnem araja khan riu araja khat nyo bat kumta ter kilap ru badan ki Dukan ki bam tip ya kata ka business license jong Shillong Municipal Board bar kitu ki Dukan ki bahab ha schedule area ki puni da trading license jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hindai kim dan pat ya ka business license jong ka municipal kom tala khang no ye kini ki Dukan bat la ai por ki khathan sngi bakin penbiang ye ki jinon kam lem kom ta onom sha bakin play ye ki Dukan jong ki
Kumno fikam try pingin dukan. Fikam try kumno ni dukan jong pia ba i ba dan ba dudukar. Baik ini ka dukan khang menta dan license jong municipal khang kan ni ka trading license ka jong ka district council kani ka hab jong ka business ka hab jong ka municipal license khang kan ni ma. Pia ban khang kan ni dukan wan penbiang ki kot ki slash pom municipal. Kil ada license municipal em to municipal siap dan municipal dan cabi
Is the soul in Shillong. Darbashong is one of the most authorized person to talk with it. So when the Darbashong give us a clarification that we should go to the district council for our license and trade license once, how can we suddenly accept a municipality come and tell? Because if the Darbashong should also given us a notice, instead of writing KHDC, he should have given a block that municipality also you can take either one of that trade license, isn't it, sir? No. See, he has given directly KHDC. He given us instruction to go and take our documentation, whatever, to KHDC. So we have to follow his rule, na?
No. This is just an NOC that this area fall on that section.
That's the question, sir.
And at the same time, this area fall under Shillong Municipal.
How can we?
Okay.
But we are accepting it. But we are accepting it.
हम तो accept नहीं कर रहे हैं.
No.
हम लोग accept कर रहे
I
हैं.
will tell you.
Yes.
Now, even this building permission.
Yes. Building permission for municipality.
Previously it was from the DC and municipality, now from Marpal.
Now, in the scheduled area, the district council have taken the building permission also. Isn't it?
Now तो they don't go for urban, they go for district council only for the bill purpose.
Even the tax also you pay to the Shillong Municipal.
No, actually these are 6 schedule you can pay to district council.
Holding tax.
wait you block wait let him talk first.
Yeah, holding tax now you pay to district council or you pay to the Shillong Municipal. Holding tax. That means this area is all under municipal jurisdiction. And at the same time it fall under district children.
So how to differentiate as a shopkeeper, sir?
I'll give you the notice.
Yes, please.
Then you have your lawyer or
Yeah, but
so that you will
shop,
clear.
see, unless it is clear, we have to see, we are in a cut. For time being, you should allow us to open the shop. Not that we are not an illegal tenant or organization.
You talk.
Sir, we are not the illegal shelter that the shop will be closed.
We know about that.
So
NGOs, they came to
see, NGO, you're following the instruction of NGO, sir. Okay, to close down, sir. But in the law books, if they are not done any renewal, you give a time to them that in 30 days you have to do the renewal to the office.
I'm not follow anyone.
So you follow the rule. You're closing our shop. No, that cannot be closed. No?
And this one also not.
Sure cannot be closed, sir. You can give us a time to do the fine. We are ready to
No,
pay.
1% of here, 1%.
Sorry, you have see, you are asking 50 days fine from us since we have not done anything till now, anyway. And we will be paying the 50 days fine.
Okay.
Isn't it, sir? So till we finish our, you are taking the taxation, we'll be paying 50 days fine. It may be more 30 days maybe, as far as the municipality take online system. So we'll be paying the money. So when we pay the money, how is authorized to close the shop? In what ground, sir? In what law ground we are saying the shop should be closed?
You don't have the proper document, that's why we close.
No,
Sir.
no, what document you don't?
From the
I'm
municipal.
asking the municipal.
From the
guys, sir.
municipal.
Let me talk. No, we have got the document. We showed you the document. We showed the district council document.
This
The
one says
document is
different.
not the question. District council and you have taken.
This one says
renew
it's
can be
used for
done.
trade only, no?
In what clause is written here? If you don't do the renew, it's a term and condition is show me there that if you don't renew in time, we will close down your shop. It's written there in your term and condition. Show me, sir. You have to show the book of law, sir. Show us the book of law, municipality, and we'll talk to you.
I am not from the municipal.
No, sir,
I'm from
No,
the
you let
NGO.
them talk with the municipality. You are taking what? Let me talk with the municipality.
I'm from the NGO.
Sir, you have to provide it with notice.
So let the municipality talk now. Why
No,
is
no, we have to come together.
you come every
No,
time.
sir.
We are not the outsider that you
First,
come and close it up. Na?
Sir, first you give us notice.
Now last time
Without
district
notice,
council with the
how
NGO comes, they have seen it's okay. Now they are coming with the municipality. Next day they will come.
First you have to give us notice. We should be aware of the thing. No?
If you don't have a license, then you can do.
Sir, if we are not aware of the thing, you give us notice, you give us time.
Yeah.
Yes. You have to give us time. No,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Take out a lesson if we are liable to.
No,
Sir, we are doing business. I'm doing business for 100 years in Shillong.
Why do you don't know? We take
No
license from
notice has
there.
come to us. No one has
No one
Not
gives
a
to us.
single person has served
No one
notice.
gives to us. No one gives to us.
one
Yes,
by
sir.
one.
Yes, yes.
Right from day one, you don't have the license
you
from
don't
the
know.
municipal,
Huh?
the business license.
First, when 1980, when we started our shop in 1951, I think lots of people, I also was not born in that time. So 1951, that one was the municipality. There was no district council that time in this area. From 1985, they were coming for district council. So first of all, we didn't apply for the district council because municipality is already here from 1951. We are doing it up. So what's the reason of going for district council
So
again?
1952,
51, because my establishment is 1951. So when it was coming, then we came to the conclusion that what to do. Then also for the last till 2020, we paid both the license fees. When from the Darbashongs, they have come. See, I have showed you the Darbashong receipt. Na? I showed you Darbashong. They have come and did NOC from the Darbashong because see, if you are illegal, they are not given a verification notice. NOC from the this is recent Darbashong. See, 2025. Huh? So if no, my point of view, they have come, they have done the inspection, and they have told us that you have to continue your documentation with district councils. No, building the landlord will take the permission. I am a tenant of the landlord. I am talking my point
He
of
is
view.
taking for commercial complaint.
Okay.
District council have given you this. I mean the license, trade license,
Correct. Trade license. Yeah, tell me now.
business
Yes.
selling by non-private.
Yes, tell me.
And from Shillong Municipal, there is a business license.
What business license can you clear
Business
me?
license, trade license,
Yeah, same, sir. You have to clear me what is a business license, sir. That I want to know.
Now, since you have opened the business,
Yeah.
Yes.
you have to avail the license from Shillong.
Okay, that municipality you are telling the district that it means that in the district council, each and every district, a 6 schedule area, municipality will go to each 6 schedule area and ask for the same question what you are asking to us.
Yes.
Whole Shillong it will be done.
No,
6 Shillong is a whole 6 schedule area.
But sir,
No, sir, you can use a 6 schedule area.
I'll tell you one thing, sir. I'll tell you one thing. It's all over India. One license for one.
One business. How can it be
But,
two license for two license till 20 till that is what till 20th of
I think-
2020
Yeah,
2020
first you should clarify.
we have clarified. So you give me a writing, we'll close the shop. You give me a writing that this license is invalid. We have to go to the court and we have to find out as a
I'm
trader
not
who have
talking
to.
about this thing.
No,
is
you have to tell
invalid.
us. You have to no, sir. You have closing our shop. You are closing our bread and butter.
But
Everyone
so
we have to
should
close.
avail-
You
Not
close.
only you.
No. You. I am talking about me. You are closing everyone.
Everyone
is
we have
getting
to close.
bread and butter. No, you are
No,
coming from the
you
authority.
should know. No, you have to
We
apply the
know our
license.
rights. We know the law. There should be only one trading license. There is no trading license.
No, Trading
The
license.
Business license is one. What is the building of honor? That is not my lookout. He's given me in rent. I'll do. You have closed my shop, sir. You are not closing the building.
It is a trade license.
Yeah, this also is a trade license.
Yes.
Yeah. So how can you say that how a person should communicate two trade license from a system?
I'll do one thing. I'll give you one notice.
First, before closing the shop, you give us a notice. We will go to the district council. You cannot shut down the shop like this, sir. Because we also the law person and we also know the law, sir. You cannot come something that you say in two trading license. My is correct, your one is wrong. No, these both are trading license. You give us a notice. We'll reply you. After that, you close. You give us right. We'll open the shop. You give us a time of 1 week. We'll reply to you. And after that, you take the decision. You write each and every one. You cannot just come and close the shop, sir.
No, we have to come. Close the shop, everyone.
No.
No.
Come, sir.
No. Everyone, we have to close.
No. Use your manpower, sir. You are using your manpower, sir.
No.
Just as how.
Yeah.
How can there be a two trading license, sir? Come on. It's not different. Give me explanation. You cannot say it's different.
Municipal and
My mouth doesn't work. Show me in books. Show me in books. You show me in books. You have to follow the law.
No, you have to
You
close.
follow the law. You cannot show your manpower. No, you just saw the officer आएगा बंद कर दो.
How you doing your business without
How many years
license?
how many years you have been here in this business? Huh? Yeah? You don't know? This is a surprise.
Okay, we'll get one.
But you have to close.
You have to close for now.
You have to. For now. No. We don't give time to everyone there. We have to close. Submit your documents there in municipal. Then after you can open.
But documents we're not getting from Interstitial, so we can get the license.
No. From this is the different way.
Okay, I got a point. Okay. Give us some time. Don't close the shop. We'll do
No.
it.
No.
We'll do it.
No. You do first. Then after you finish
And now
submit the documents, you can open the
the
shop.
license you can do it online.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. You just close. After you do it, then you inform us to the office. Then we'll check.
Please just cooperate with us.
No. We will do it today only. I'll send it to you. Why you
The first you have to close. Then after you finish submit there, then you can open.
Oi.
just give us some time?
You don't have give time to everyone. All we are closed there.
We have the license.
I know everybody have the license too, but they don't renew. We understand.
Okay, I know. But okay, just let him talk to them. If it's possible, now only I'll do it. What's the big deal? He has all the details, so I'll see. Yeah. Tell me.
Em supply bian, Fimi supply bian.
Just let me. Oh, okay. I'll do it. Okay, you give me now.
On kikat wan jam mas tay.
उधर में म्युनिसिपल मिल के जमा करो उधर में सबमिट करो उधर में
Municipal license. Municipal license ha.
लाइसेंस तो है अभी तो नहीं है आएगा बाद में
दिखाओ
नहीं आप मालिक का दिया आएगा
दिखाओ
हम नहीं रखा
बन नीचे दुकान
मालिक का साथ है
बन
अच्छा ठीक है मालिक आ रहा है
municipal
समझ गया कोई तो जो ना दिखाएगा बैठो ना बैठो
kan sini betul je kang dukan kang cek ban itu dukan
ये मालिक को नीचे में आ रहा है
dan kat masalah nero dan kat dan
kini pun dan
नहीं अभी आ
oh submit ke kat slash tay kang apa
अभी नीचे दुकान में गया दूसरी दुकान है ना नीचे में
apa itu
आ रहा है मालिक आ रहा है
बताओ ना ये
आ रहा है तो
udar ba bola au ban itu dukan
आ रहा है मालिक आ रहा है नीचे दुकान
license है
लाइसेंस है
municipal
हाँ हम लोग का तो सब कुछ है
दिखाओ
मालिक रखते तो मालिक ही दिखाएगा ना हम लोग का भाई दिखाएगा आ रहा है
पहला ban karo jab malik aya to
नहीं आ रहा है तो
हम बुला के लाते हैं पहला फोन करो मालिक नहीं रोके
मालिक आ गया तो दुकान आप लोग बेचो ना हमको
नहीं हम टाइम नहीं मिल रहा
लाइसेंस है तो हम लोग के पास
नहीं पहला
कागज जमा उधर में ऑफिस में
सब कुछ दे के जमा दे दिया
municipal license municipal business
संबंध दुकान
आप apply khangsuan ni dukan tas wan apply for office ban
municipal
ban karo itu ha apply mentah one office sim bijing thok ei tama khangsuan ni
नॉन लाइसेंस मतलब है ही नहीं पहला से
dan
नहीं
municipal ban itu municipal license का
म्युनिसिपल लाइसेंस है तो
हाँ
है
तो देखो
तो बोला नहीं है तो बोला में है घर में
मुझको ऑर्डर कोई ऐसे नहीं होता
ता बंद करो itu दुकान
अगर नहीं है तो बंद करना
अगर नहीं बंद करो itu दुकान आओ
हां है
बाहर तो
है वो बेच रहा है
हाँ
बेच रहा है
ông ta तो को यो
लगाना पड़ेगा इधर दीवार में रखने के लिए नहीं दिया लाइसेंस
बंद करो पहले
बंद करो जब मिलेगा तो मैं करूँ
अब बंद करो itu दुकान bun bom dan license